Reset the panel. Okay, you reset the panel. Already reset now. Then you go to, let's go and generate from the system. So you have two things we need to generate. We need to generate print and history. So we first of all go to print to generate. We have supervisory, we have trouble, we have alert, monitor. So we only generate supervisory, we generate trouble and disable and monitor for print. For print application. So after that we go to history application. So now we want to do print now. So we click on supervisory. Once we click on supervisory, the active device that on supervisory is 22. So what we need to click now, you come to the print. You click on print. Okay. Once you click on print, then you type the name of the device, which is supervisory. So you type supervisory is not correct. So type again. Supervisory, VI, yeah.
No.
Supervisory.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is supervisory. So we click on print. So once you click on print, then it will display the box. This dialog box. So we need to save into our file. And where's our file? Our flash. Yeah, our flash is there. So we need to put our flash in the CPU, which is the system. So now, when you want to save, you come to where there is folder here. Where there is folder here, then you go to my computer to locate the removable disk, which is the flash. So you click on the removable disk. Once you click on it, then you come to the file name. You change the file name to supervisory. Write in capital letter. Put it in capital letter, cap lock. So as it's typing now, you type supervisory again, VI, and put the date. Today's date, we put yesterday's date, which is the date you report to duty. That should be 26 stroke 06 stroke 2. Yes. So now we need to copy this so that we just copy and paste. Copy. So after you might have write the file name, then only what you need to do is to save. So once you click on save, it will save directly to the flash. It will open the PDF file where you have to close from here. You close it. Then once you close it, it has already saved. As you can see, supervisory here is already saved. It's a PDF file. Then you exit. Either you exit from here or you close the dialog box from here. So once you close, you have already generate a supervisory file on the print. Then you close. Then once you close this also. You close this from here or from the up here where there is S. So you close it from here. Then you go to trouble. Under this trouble and disable, you come to this place to bin to separate it, because if you can see they are scattered. So once you click on bin, so they will be aligned. You see disable is separate and the trouble also, they are both of them separate together. Then you click on print. You go to print and print. So once you press print, first you generate for disable. After you save it, you come back to generate for trouble. So click on type disable now. Let us generate for disable or print for the disable. Yes. So click on print. Yes. So it display the same dialog box where you need to save your file, and the flash which we are saving it is here. So you click on the removable disk, then you click on the you type the disable on the file name. Though you can just paste, you already copied before. Okay, so now you click on save. So once you save, it will display the PDF file where you need to close. You close from up, then you close it. Here you just need to change the disable to, you don't need to close this one, just change the disable file, the disable title to trouble. Yeah, trouble. No, yes, trouble. So you click on print. So once you click on print, you display the dialog box where you need to save the print file. So the same thing applicable on the file name. You also type the trouble. As you can see, you type the trouble and you put the date. Yes, so you just click on save. Then you need to close. Once you close everything now. You close, then you close also the print result. You close everything. Yeah, close something. Yeah. So after you close now, you already generated supervisory, you generated trouble and disable. Now we need to go to monitor. So in monitor, nothing. That's monitor, right? Okay, yeah. So we need to that one don't need to participate. Just click on print. Yes, they will put the title, which is monitor. No, monitor. No, don't need to put date here. The other one we need to put date. Yeah, monitor. I remove the date. So here we don't need to put date. We put the date when we want to save it. So then we go to computer, we go to the movable disk.
Check the mobile.
Okay. Then we change the file name to monitor. Then we put the date there.
Yes, okay, sir. Eksin busy is sir. Eksin
Then you click on save. Yes. So now what you need to do now, you already finished the generating for the print. So what you need to do now, we need to generate for the history, where we go to wait, do it again. Close and do it again. Close. So we need to go to application from where you see at the top application. There after application you go to report application. Yes, it will display dialog box. So from there you go to history. As you see, on history. Now you go to date and time. You select between. Then from here you put yesterday's date, which is 26, and you put 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. No, 6 o'clock. 06. Then change the down. The second column, 6 o'clock. Yeah. No, just press 00 here. Yeah, 00. So 6 o'clock. So after there, you go to event. It's okay now. So you go to event where you can. After the event, you click on contain. You click on contain. Then from contain, you go to alarm. You generate from alarm. Then you go to run report. This run report. Yes. Then it will run the report. Then you click done. After you click done, then you save it. So wait, go close again. Close again. So you save it by clicking on this export. That's export. So click on it. Then it will open the dialog box where you can save where you can save the devices for the alarm. And the dialog box is you are saving it inside the flash. So you locate computer and then you click on the movable disk. So once you click on it, then you come to the file name. Yes, we come to the file name and put alarm and copy paste, put date. Yes, so you now change the save as type. Save as type should be in PDF 2020, 99 to 2003 data only. Yes, you click on that. After then you click save. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay, go to click on it. Double click on it. Double click now. Go to save now. Yes, it has already saved. Then the next one you close. Come and close from here. Yes, after you close, then you don't close this one. Then change the alarm to it's okay. We've generate alarm. Now we need to generate trouble, disable, and the supervisory and the monitor. So we need to generate 5 content of history. So this is trouble. Now we go to run report. Same thing we applied before. We need to apply it again by saving inside saving it inside the flash, that is removable disk. So you click on trouble and put the date. What just need to click on just press down, then remove the PDF and change the file type, the save type. Okay, save type, same, and then you click on save. So that is trouble. Then we need to generate disable. You run the report, then done. Just press down and file save as. So you save, then you close, then you generate for supervisory. So monitor is the last, so for supervisory run report, done, save, go to export to save inside the flash, then you supervisory, yes, just press down, then
It will take time.
click on save. Wait, no, yeah, go to the save type. No, we almost done now.
Huh?
Yeah, that's how we save. The last one, no, don't close.